What's up, y'all? It's definitely Vivian, and I'm definitely me, and that's a period. Today's video is basically gonna be me literally like struggling, but I'm struggling for y'all. I'm just gonna show you guys how I got these 40-inch locks, cause your girl did that. I definitely did that. Shout out to my mom and my bestie for the help because it was much needed. I did part my whole head. Never doing that again, but I did want the experience, you know what I'm saying? So usually my best friend does my hair, but I wanted to just try to see if I could do it again. Never again, never again. This is why I don't do hair videos, but it's okay. It's content. And I don't even know if I like this hairstyle. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you keep watching and leave me some suggestions down below what you want to see next. Okay, so my hair looks crazy. I already blow dried these sections. I be trying to do content for y'all, but hair stuff, it just be a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry this front section, and I'm just using alligator clips. I had a mirror right here, and I'm just kind of flattening the hair that's already done so I don't like mess it up. Now, I previously had my hair in mini twists. I took that out. I didn't wash my hair because I just washed my hair a week ago, and my hair is not dirty. So I have some products in. I forgot exactly what I used, but I think I used TGIN and some Yale curling smoothie. But I'm gonna take the Camille Rose rice milk. Oh, no, this is rice milk and macadamia oil moisture milk, and I'm just been putting that over my whole head just to give it some type of moisture. I'm only using a little bit for this section and on the other side because, like I said, I already have product in my hair for what I did in my hair last, and I'm just making sure I get my ends. And I'm basically, I look a mess, in case you didn't already know that. My piercing bump has exceeded its limit, so let's just not even touch on that. I already detangled with my easy detangler brush. Quick semi review, amazing. Go get you one. It may take you about a month to get it, but it's literally worth it. I can't speak for the semi brands, but I'm taking the Revlon, what is this, Revlon brush blow dryer. I don't know the actual term for it, but I'll have it down below. And I'm using high heat. A long time ago I was taught to kind of like use low heat first and then go into high just to prep your hair, but high it is. I'm not trying to get it bone straight, nothing like that, because I'm literally just braiding my hair. I don't put heat on my hair that often, so there's nothing wrong with it. Like, okay, back to business. So for anybody wondering, my hair stops right about here. If it was straight, maybe a little longer than that, I don't know. I recently got it cut, but if you watched any of my other videos, I had planned on getting knotless braids, but with Corona still being around, the person who's gonna do my hair, I think she went out of town, so I'm just like, yeah, no, I'm good. So I'm gonna just wait on that. She had a special going too, but it's all good. So for right now, I'm gonna just part. My head is finished, but I still gotta do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna do all that. Okay, so I'm basically about to show you guys how to go ahead and hook a crochet lock into your hair. Y'all saw my plait, so right now I'm taking a crochet hook. I just hooked it through the middle of the braid, and then I took the Bobbi Boss New Locs in the shade number 2, 18-inch. I hooked it right onto the crochet hook, looped it in, and now I'm matching the circle to where the like my root is, and I'm gonna basically use it like a rubber band. I'm gonna use my real hair and the lock, put them together, and then I'm just gonna loop it as a rubber band, and then I'm gonna hold my hair straight out and then just tuck on the fake or the crochet lock and then just put it together. My parts are kind of loose, so yeah, but it's okay. And I got nail glue on my hand, so if you see white flakes, that's what that is. So what you want to do, at least what I'm doing, is twisting. So the locks are going this way, so you want to twist out the opposite way. So you want to turn the lock the opposite way, but whichever way, like I said, the lock's going this way, you wrap it the way that the lock closes. So you'll see in just a second. And I'm still trying to perfect this as well. And you want to pull your actual hair straight and make sure the lock itself is flat. My nails, they're trash now, literally, so just keep that in mind if you do this hairstyle. Don't do your nails. And then what I do is I kind of let it go just to make sure it's going in the right direction. If it wasn't going in the right direction, it would have unraveled, but because it's still straight and tight, I know I'm going in the right direction. So I'm still just stretching this out and placing it over the braid. So hopefully you can see. You just unravel this way, pull it tight, keep this straight. I'm taking my index finger and just wrapping it flat and making sure to pull it and grabbing with my other hand, index finger again, and I'm making sure to wrap around it. That's the best way I know how to explain it. This isn't a full tutorial because this is your girl's first time doing this hairstyle. So, but I just wanted to show semi how I'm doing it. And then I'm also gonna add another lock on the end. See, I got this little piece. I'm just taking shine gem on my ends. I'm basically folding my hair because the locks that I got were not long enough. So if you do this hairstyle, make sure the locks are longer than your hair and it won't take you as long. I have so many ends hanging out because of this, so just be mindful. And then just keep doing the same thing. I have to hold this until I get down there though. Going around. So even though I'm kind of like, I don't have any hair, I'm still wrapping it around just to make sure it's all in there. Then I just do like one last twirl and then I let it go, and the lock will basically adjust to what it's gonna look like. As you can see, I still got some hair sticking out. I just unravel it and kind of just stick it back in. I poke it with my index finger and then just wrap it back in there. And then now it's gone. It's not perfect. So now that I'm done with that, what I do is I take from usually right here to here, somewhere in this range. I'm gonna go down a little bit more. I'm gonna take my crochet hook, I hook it with the hook and then go straight in. And then I get the extra crochet lock. I hook it in there, latch it, and then I just pull it through. I open it up and I kind of see where it is because I want everything to be like straight down. So basically I line it up to where it's kind of even. Hopefully that makes sense. And then I just go in like that, pull this straight, make sure it's not going nowhere, and then I literally just, instead of always using glue, you can also try this method. You may still want to put glue, but I'm just going to unravel the twist and I'm literally just going to wrap the other piece around in there. I'm just unraveling, twisting, unraveling, twisting. The only thing is you may see the knot, which is right here, but I don't mind that. So I showed y'all these three, and then like even for this, like you can kind of see this right here, but I'm adding these, the freetress braid island twist 20 inch, and I'm just gonna wrap this over my hair and the locks. And like I said, because I'm wrapping my hair, this being out is not a big deal. If I wasn't wrapping my hair, then I would redo it, but because I'm wrapping it, it doesn't really matter because it's gonna be covered up anyway. Like even this, the end hanging out, I'm gonna wrap that. I'm just gonna pull it and just wrap it, so it don't even matter.
The next day.
So I pretty much finished my hair. I didn't do every single strand, but I left this one in the front to show you guys, and then as a comparison, this is how pretty much all the twists were looking with ends sticking out as well. And then I just took this hair and wrapped it around. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. This is the freetress braid island twist. I'll leave everything down below, but basically you're gonna get your strand and you're going to separate it. I already started, so you're just going to separate it. And I'm not a pro at this, but it kind of gets tangled up, but you separate it and basically you're going to make it into two. I only bought one pack and I didn't do my whole head, but I did majority of my head, and like I said, it gets tangled up, so I just kind of stretch it, kind of pull it apart. Right now what you want to do is basically take a small section, the end piece, then place the small piece on the lock. So I'm going to hold this piece here. I'm going to hold my index finger to make it taut, and then I'm just going to go around. I'm starting at my root because I want it to be snugger, because the braid parting I did is kind of loose, so I just go around the root a few times until I have like a good motion. You want to kind of like spread this, make it a little thicker. I don't necessarily need to right now, I'm fine with how it looks, but to get more coverage you want to do it like that. So my hair came out a little bit, so I basically unraveled it, as you see right here, and then wrapped it back, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer of the island wave just to cover up more of my hair. It wasn't covering fully, so that's what you see me doing. And if you don't want to use all of it, you can cut it off and then kind of stretch it out and keep going. It really doesn't matter. For me, I'm just gonna spin it around just so I don't waste it. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just spinning, spinning, spinning. So then just go again, rub it. You can't even tell anything was even attached. That is it. I got something, I think this is foundation in my hair. In total, I don't know how many locks I have in my head. They're very, very long. I'll stand up so you guys can see. Basically under my butt, and I use the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It's infused with biotin and encourages growth, and I just put that on my head when I got done. You want to make sure you oil your scalp after, not before, because your hair is going to slip. Doesn't matter what your texture is, 9 times out of 10 your hair will slip. Don't listen to me if you want to, and you'll be sitting forever. But I'm basically gonna keep these in for a while. I really didn't like the hairstyle at first. I still kind of don't. It's just gonna have to grow on me. I'll leave everything down below of how many packs I use. I really don't know right now. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know down below, because if you don't let me know, I'm not gonna know that you watched it. I want a specific person. I want to be able to thank you personally. So yeah, I'll thank you guys for watching, and I will see if I do more of this hair content. I don't even know if this video was all over the place or not. I'm really not good at it, but I really be trying, because makeup is kind of oversaturated and I just don't really want to do all that sometimes. Like, I do love my makeup, don't get me wrong, but I want to be able to do hair too. It's just, hair takes 2-3 videos. Makeup is one sit down video. It's just a lot more work. So yeah, and I'm a perfectionist, so yeah. Like, even with my hair, there's still some pieces that are still out, if you guys can see, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. I'm over it. I don't really care, and that's just that on that. So But I parted my hair myself, as you guys already saw, and this is just basically what I have left. And I don't know, we'll see what I come up with, but I do appreciate you guys watching. Leave me some suggestions down below of what you feel like maybe I could have done better. I don't know, I'm always down for constructive criticism. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.